Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna get a hernia. Alright, sit down. Hold on.
It's like
it's pretty
flat.
So that's a good way to start the morning. So we're collecting up some of the rocks from that old fallen chimney, taking them back up to our place, where we're going to use them for a nice accent wall. Only problem is, now I got to get out of here. And this, this ain't flat. Well, that was just easy. I thought with this angle coming up this hill, with all the rain we've had recently and a load of rock, I thought I was going to lose traction and have a problem getting out of here. I put it in 4 low and it didn't even flinch. Truck's got 238,000 miles on it and it's still kicking hard. You can see all the cutting here, clearing the fence line that my landlord's been doing because they've got this place on the market. Pull this up so he doesn't run over with the tractor. This is an absolutely beautiful farm. It has extraordinary potential for a whole lot of things. But I've already got my own land and I'm halfway through my build. At least I like to fool myself into saying I'm halfway through. Release the hounds.
Thank you.
At the end of it, that was something. Pretty awesome. Well, that was an interesting little deviation from our normal drive to the home site. So we're starting to get a stack of rock here that we'll be able to use to make a little accent wall. It's a good workout. Well, we made it to the home site today. We've been doing a few things. We have a doorway to construct, and this is the last header that we're putting in that goes over a window or a door. So this is a fairly happy thing for us because they've been kind of a pain. Just gonna foam it, beat it down into place, and nail it in. A little bit of slip seal in the front.
Right about here you can see my wife taking notice that something is not quite right with the header.
I hope this is supposed to be longer.
it 3 or 4 times. Okay.
Well, at least we didn't put it in.
Yeah.
I have a feeling this isn't the last time I'm going to hear about this.
You know, when you were measuring, I was like, are you compensating to make it longer?
Not the last header.
How many times have you done this on the header? Like twice?
Yeah.
Okay. Just, yeah, really.
So, as my bride pointed out, that was not the last header that we're doing. This is the last header. This is the right size. So.
Second time. So are you gonna put the
Yeah. I'm just gonna put a bead across the front. Upside down, so it's not doing anything.
get on my jacket. Did you want this? Yes, no.
Yep. Right at that line, right?
Yeah.
That's right at that line. So that should start falling in.
Oh look, it's a doorway.
What's that?
Doorway. It's just bouncing.
It's just bouncing?
Yeah, there's
All right.
something.
That sucks.
Okay, no, it's dropping. It's going. There it goes. We are 1 inch away.
All right.
All the way, it's straight up and down 1 inch. There you go. Half an inch. 1 centimeter. You're about top and like 2 on the bottom.
That,
Here, I just want to put this.
can you get it under there?
Yeah. Oh, something just moved. Like really moved. Is it all?
All right, yeah, it's all the way in.
Is it, how about the bottom? Is it okay?
Bottom's fine, hasn't moved. Top's all the way in. Well, we ran out of daylight today. Got a lot done, I think. Never feels like you got quite enough done. We'll be back out here tomorrow to get those joist hangers up and start putting some of those joists in. See y'all tomorrow.